Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simadri. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today my topic is software testing, slide based testing guidelines of a observation. Introduction of a slide based testing. Slide based testing is involves preparing a subset of a program with respect to the selected variable and a location. In a slice consists the protection of a code that contributes to the value of variables at a given point. Slice based testing leverage this approach by taking specific point of interest within a code with a method analyzing of a program to identify all the statements that can be potentially effects to the point. History of a slice based testing. Slice based testing STB originally proposed by a versus 88 and in a software mainnet useful for software debugging, software maintenance, program understanding, and qualification of a functional courses. Slice Slice testing definition. Starting point is a program a, with the program graph g of p and the set v. The variable in a p nodes in the program graph numbered and corresponded to a statement fragments. Definition: the slice on the variable set v at the statement fragmented n written as v into n is the set of a nodes. The number of all the statements fragments in the p proper into a n that contribute to the values variable v statement of a configurant n. This actually is breaked backward slices. X is defined by a forward slices. Native definition of a program slices. For the statement and a variable v, the slices of a program p WRT slicing intent include only this statement of the p needed to contribute to the behavior of a v at s. Formula definition and SBT. Given a program p, program graph g in the which statements are numbered, that set of a variables p, the slice of a variable v statement. A set of a node number of all statements configurant a p apropos to a n that contribute to the values of a variable v statement. Informal definition of a suggests a possibility of a slices coding of a service componential of a test it code and another slide commercial and a testing it is then specific to spaces continuous unit or program of a complete expresses in what ways of a slices is definition of a then bottom up programs. Way of siblings debugging, testing, differencing, program understanding, software maintenance, complexity of measurements, function consistent, program integration, reverse engineering, software quality assess. Diagnostic testing of this testing with the slices. Relative completes of a slice weld diagnostic of capability of a relative component conceptual set of B with a respective to the another set of A is the set of all the elements of A that are not elements B denotes as a B minus A. Good rules of a thumb of a SBT. Never make up success which are variable V exponential capital V do not appear with a statement fragments. Make slices one variable. Make a slices of R A define nodes. Make a slices P use node because the slices window how the cost variable get value. Consider making a slices with complex XPT. Different types of a program slices. There are three types of a program. They are follows static, dynamic, and conditioned slicing. Types of a slicing. There are generally three kinds of a slices. Difference between a slipped and definition of a SPT. Slice based testing techniques. Divide program into a components. A program slice refers to a set of programs statements that may be affect a composition of a variable V at the statement S. Properties of a slice. There are two properties in a slice. The slice must have been obtained from the original program statement deletion. The behavior of a slice must be corresponding to the behavior of a program as observed the other observed through a window of a slice attribute. Programming with the slices. One researchers suggest a possibility of a slices coding of a slice componential of a test it code and another slide commercial and a testing it is then specific to spaces continuous unit or program of a complete expresses in what ways of a slices is definition of a then bottom up programs way of siblings debugging testing differencing program understanding software maintenance complexity of measurements function consistent program integration reverse engineering software quality assess. Diagnostics testing of this testing with the slices. Relative completes of a slice weld diagnostic capability of a relative component conceptual set of B with a respective to the another set of A is the set of all the elements of A that are not elements B denotes as a B minus A. Good rules of a thumb of a SBT. Never make up success which are variable V exponential capital V do not appear with a statement fragments. Make slices one variable. Make slices of R A define nodes. Make a slices P use node because the slices window how the cost variable get value. Consider making slices with complex XPT. Different types of a program slices. There are three types of a program. They are follows static, dynamic, and conditioned slicing. Types of a slicing. There are generally three kinds of a slices. Difference between a slipped and slicing in the Python. Slip divides in a strings and into a smaller part of based on a character to a pattern. Slicing is extra operation of a string duration and specifying the start and end position. Advantages of a technique use. This allows the program to lettering of the software without causing changes due to ripple effect to changes. Skipping helps the deepness compression program which is testing. It makes test works faster than more efficient. Slicing based on the particular slice method. Disadvantage. Condition or assumption the causes of a problem. If one that causes something or a someone to be else successful than the other things. The dynamic slices of a program contains all the statements of a actual effect and valuable variables that can only point of a particular. Slicing program is a technique of a simplifying a program of a focusing on a selected except of a statement. Static dynamic conditioned is maintain of a slices stateless is nothing about the input. Program dependence graph can be used. Dynamic specific construct the